day everyone, welcome to the Money Magnet Secret International Workshop. I really love to share with you what my strategy to make money in stocks market, Forex, commodity. In the past 8 years, I already created tons of money, $2,000 into $5.5 million.
Gema Goeyardi is Indonesia's top trading expert, a master financial technical analysis holder. His expertise spans across asset classes, including stocks, gold, and Forex. He has successfully turned $2,000 into $5.5 million in 8 years.
I've always known it's quite an exciting thing to do. It always kind of gets your blood level up. You know, it's exciting. It's like a kind of freedom to it. You don't have to kind of sit in an office all day with a boss.
I'm an art director and I have my own design studio. I came to the Astronacci workshop because, I always wanted to invest my money and I didn't know how.
So I believe everyone wants to learn about this, how to grow your capital. Let's say you're working and you have some capitals now, you want to grow your money. And the financial market is the best place to blow up your account, blow up your portfolio, your capital, because this is like the unlimited opportunity, especially when the COVID-19 comes.
I'm traveling now about 2 years and I wanted to learn how to make money online, to keep traveling, keep like an independent life.
I actually heard about this trading workshop online. I saw it on a Facebook group and thought it could be very interesting as I actually don't know anything about this.
As a first-time trader and someone just starting off learning trading, I felt that this workshop was very insightful, getting to know the psychology of trading, which I think is really important and a lot of traders overlook it.
Why do we use the financial astrology for this price methodology prediction? Because the financial astrology, I found it in 2009 back then, right? I found a correlation between that planetary cycle and the human psychology. Then the financial astrology will help you to define what kind of mood that investors now in.
And actually my favorite part of the workshop, because it was also about psychology and about how humans think about this.
It was explained, was really clear but simple. I liked that it was not only about trading, but like the connection to psychology and also astrology was, to me, super interesting.
Trading in itself is quite a complex thing to do, but the way that it was explained, it was done really easily. It was easily accessible for most people. It was.
Through this workshop, Gema will guide you step by step how to master his money magnet secret strategy.
Boom! $7,000. So thank you very much, guys. This is all things real money, real trade. The next will be yours. Thank you very much for coming.
I definitely recommend this course to people who want to learn about trading, who are interested about making money from their laptop wherever they are. Right now we are in Bali, we're really enjoying our time here, and it's great to work from wherever you want.
Astronacci, your vehicle to profitable trading experience.
Usually people think trading, boring finance stuff, but it really isn't. And I think this workshop showed me that. I'm excited about something I didn't think I'd be excited for. So, yeah, that's kind of my experience.